Venture capital is a form of private equity financing. It's high risk, high reward. Essentially, venture capitalists or VCs provide funding to startups and small businesses that they believe have strong growth potential. This type of financing is crucial for companies that do not have access to capital markets or traditional bank loans. The risk is high because many startups fail, but the rewards can be substantial if the company succeeds. Venture capitalists, often called VCs, invest in startups because they see potential for high growth. They are looking for the next big thing, the next Google or Amazon. These investors are willing to take on the risk of investing in a new company because the potential returns can be enormous. They typically invest in exchange for equity or ownership in the company. But, VCs bring more than just money to the table. They offer invaluable experience, strategic advice, and a network of contacts that can help a startup grow and succeed. This mentorship and guidance can be just as important as the financial investment. VCs often have a wealth of experience in building and scaling companies, and they use this knowledge to help the startups they invest in navigate the challenges of growing a business. They offer experience and networks, aiming to help startups succeed. This support can come in many forms, from helping to recruit key team members to providing introductions to potential customers and partners. The goal is to help the startup grow quickly and achieve a successful exit, whether that be through an acquisition or an initial public offering, IPO. Successful startups mean returns for VCs. When a startup succeeds, the value of the equity that the VCs hold increases, sometimes dramatically. This can result in significant financial returns for the VCs. However, it's important to note that not all investments will be successful. VCs typically invest in a portfolio of companies knowing that some will fail, but hoping that the successes will more than make up for the losses. Venture capital is crucial for innovation, fueling new technologies and business models. Many of the most innovative and successful companies in the world, such as Google, Facebook, and Uber, were funded by venture capital. Without this type of financing, many groundbreaking ideas might never get off the ground. VCs are willing to take risks on unproven technologies and business models, providing the capital needed to turn innovative ideas into reality. Without it, many groundbreaking companies simply wouldn't exist. Venture capital plays a vital role in the startup ecosystem, providing the funding and support needed to turn innovative ideas into successful businesses. By taking on the risk of investing in new companies, VCs help drive innovation and economic growth, creating jobs and bringing new products and services to market. In this way, venture capital is not just about making money, it's about building the future. No single path guarantees entry into venture capital. The journey into this dynamic field can be as varied as the individuals who pursue it. Some may come from a background in finance, while others might have started in technology or even the arts. The key is a blend of education, experience, and the right skill set. However, a strong educational background is valuable. Many venture capitalists have degrees from prestigious universities which can open doors and provide a network of influential contacts. This educational foundation often includes rigorous coursework and exposure to diverse fields of study. Typically, a bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement. But many professionals go further, obtaining master's degrees or even PhDs. Advanced degrees can provide deeper insights and specialized knowledge that are highly beneficial in the venture capital world. Fields like business, finance, and economics are common since they provide a solid understanding of financial markets and business principles. These areas of study help future venture capitalists grasp the complexities of market dynamics, investment strategies, and economic trends. But beyond academics, essential skills are needed. Practical experience in the business world, whether through internships, previous jobs, or entrepreneurial ventures, is invaluable. This hands-on experience helps build a practical understanding of how businesses operate and succeed. Analytical skills are key for evaluating investment opportunities. Venture capitalists must be able to assess the potential of startups, understanding their business models, market potential, and financial health. This requires a keen eye for detail and the ability to interpret complex data, while communication skills are vital for interacting with entrepreneurs and investors. Effective communication helps in negotiating deals, presenting ideas, and building relationships. It's about conveying complex information clearly and persuasively, ensuring all parties are aligned and informed. Networking is crucial in venture capital. It's a relationship-driven industry, and building connections can open doors. Attending industry events and conferences is a great way to connect with VCs and other professionals. Online platforms like LinkedIn can also be valuable for networking. And don't just focus on VCs, connect with entrepreneurs, angel investors, and industry experts. A broad network provides a wider perspective. VCs look for candidates with relevant experience as it demonstrates a genuine interest in startups and the venture capital world. This experience doesn't have to be direct VC work. Internships at startups, consulting firms, or investment banks are valuable as they provide insights into different aspects of business. Volunteer work for startup accelerators or incubators is another option, offering first-hand exposure to the startup ecosystem. Internships are a stepping stone into venture capital. They offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the fast-paced world of finance and investments. By working closely with seasoned professionals, you get a first-hand look at the inner workings of venture capital firms. This experience is invaluable for anyone looking to break into the industry. They provide an opportunity to learn from experienced professionals. Mentors guide you through complex financial concepts and investment strategies, helping you build a solid foundation. You'll attend meetings, participate in discussions, and observe how decisions are made. This mentorship is crucial for developing the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in venture capital. During an internship, you'll gain practical skills. These include financial modeling, data analysis, and market research. You'll learn how to evaluate potential investments, conduct due diligence, and understand market trends. These hands-on experiences are essential for building a career in venture capital. These may include market research, due diligence, and deal sourcing. Market research involves analyzing industry trends and identifying potential investment opportunities. Due diligence requires a thorough examination of a company's financial health and business model. Deal sourcing is the process of finding and evaluating new investment opportunities. Each of these tasks is critical to the success of a venture capital firm. You'll also develop an understanding of the investment process. This includes learning how to structure deals, negotiate terms, and manage portfolios. You'll gain insight into the life cycle of an investment, from initial funding to exit strategy. Understanding this process is key to making informed investment decisions. Internships can lead to full-time positions. Many firms use internships as a way to identify and recruit top talent. If you perform well, you may be offered a permanent role. This transition from intern to full-time employee can be seamless, as you've already gained valuable experience and built relationships within the firm. Many VCs recruit from their intern pool. This is because interns have already demonstrated their abilities and fit within the company culture. By hiring from within, firms can ensure a smooth integration and continued success. Internships are not just a learning experience, they are a critical pathway to a rewarding career in venture capital. It's a chance to prove yourself and make a strong impression. By taking initiative, showing dedication, and delivering results, you can stand out and secure a future in the industry. Internships are more than just a foot in the door. They are the first step towards a successful and fulfilling career in venture capital. Working at a startup provides valuable insights. You'll experience the challenges and rewards of building a company firsthand. This experience is highly valued by VCs. It demonstrates an understanding of the entrepreneurial journey. You'll gain insights into product development, marketing, and fundraising. Working in a startup also allows you to build your network. You'll interact with investors, advisors, and other entrepreneurs. The competition for VC roles is fierce. It's essential to differentiate yourself from other candidates, build a strong personal brand, develop a strong online presence, share your insights on industry trends, write blog posts or articles related to venture capital. Craft a compelling resume. Highlight your skills and experience relevant to VC. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Breaking into venture capital is not without its challenges. The industry is competitive and rejection is common. Networking can be challenging, especially for those new to the industry. Be persistent and don't be afraid to reach out to people. Securing an internship or job at a startup can be difficult. Be prepared to start at the bottom and work your way up. Breaking into venture capital requires dedication, persistence, and a genuine passion for innovation. By focusing on education, networking, gaining relevant experience, and showcasing your unique value, you can increase your chances of success. Embrace the challenges, learn from setbacks, and never stop networking. The world of venture capital awaits those who are bold enough to pursue it.